Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why is my hair so thin? And how can I make it thicker without chemicals or expensive treatments? Well, you're not alone. I've asked myself that question too, and after trying so many things, I finally found natural methods that actually work. Today, I'm going to share my full routine and simple lifestyle changes that can help you get thicker, healthier hair completely naturally. Section 1. Nutrition and lifestyle. Before we jump into oils and masks, let's start with what's happening inside your body, because thick hair begins with nutrition. Protein. Hair is 95% keratin, which is protein. If you're not eating enough, your hair becomes weak. Eggs, lentils, beans, and chicken are amazing sources. Iron. Without enough iron, your hair may shed more. Spinach, pumpkin seeds, and red lentils are great to add in. Biotin and vitamin E. Biotin strengthens hair strands, and vitamin E boosts blood circulation in your scalp. Nuts, seeds, and avocados are easy snacks that help. Hydration. Dry hair equals brittle hair. Make sure you drink enough water daily. And one more thing: stress. Stress can literally switch your hair follicles off and cause thinning. Small habits like journaling, stretching, or a 10-minute walk can make a difference. Section 2. Natural oils and massage. Okay, now for one of my favorite parts: oiling. The right oils can make your hair grow stronger and appear thicker. Coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft and prevents protein loss. Castor oil, rich in nutrients, known for promoting thickness and volume. Rosemary oil. Studies show it's as effective as some hair treatments for stimulating growth. How I do it. Warm up a little oil, not too hot. Part my hair and apply it directly to my scalp. Massage gently for 5 minutes. This boosts blood flow and strengthens roots. Leave it overnight, then wash it out the next day. If castor oil feels too sticky, mix it with coconut or olive oil. Section 3. Wash routine and DIY masks. Now let's talk about wash routines. Don't overwash your hair. 2 to 3 times a week is perfect. Use a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo. Always condition your hair focus from mid-lengths to ends. And here's where you can add fun DIY masks. Banana plus honey, deep conditioning and prevents breakage. Aloe vera gel, strengthens and soothes the scalp. Fenugreek seeds paste, full of protein, great for hair density. I like to use a mask once a week for that extra boost. Section 4. Daily habits. These little daily habits matter more than you think. Avoid tight hairstyles that pull on your roots. Use a wide tooth comb instead of a fine brush, especially when your hair is wet. Sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase to reduce friction. Trim split ends every 6 to 8 weeks so your hair looks fuller. Limit heat styling, and if you do, always use a heat protectant. Section 5. Patience and mindset. One thing to remember is natural hair growth takes time. You won't wake up with thick hair overnight. But if you stay consistent, you'll usually see results in 3 to 4 months. Think of your hair like a plant. You need to water it, feed it, and give it patience. So let me ask you again, do you want thicker, healthier hair? Then start small, eat right, care for your scalp, and follow these natural tips consistently. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more hair care vlogs, and let me know in the comments which of these tips are you going to try first.